And also I will configure the IPv6 as well in this lab. And just this video is for the beginners, and this video for those who wants to start a career as a network engineer. So I'm just going to implement all this task in the packet tracer. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any comments, you can write it down in the comment section, and just watch my video till end. So we're going to start our task. What I'm going to do it now, I'm just going to select one router here, another router is there, and then I'm going to select two switches, and also just select one system. One system is here and one system is here. And what I'm going to do it now, just select the copper crossover, just should be far connected to this port to the fast Ethernet 0/0s, and then I just come here and just click here fast Ethernet and the fast Ethernet 0/1, and then it's could be faster, and then it's here, and then fast Ethernet 2. So this is the all network topology, and what we are going to do, we are going to configure the different routing protocol in this in the router. Okay, so first what I'm going to do, this is the whole network topology you can see in the packet tracer, and we are going to implement all the configurations on first of all in these two routers. So what I'm going to do it now, I select this router, going to change the name. The name of this router is Pakistan, and this is Pakistan. I'm going to save, and the other router name is Germany. So we're going to start our configuration. We go in the CLI, config T, interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Errors, no shutdown. And we give the IP address as well, 1.1.1.1, 255.0.0.0. And then it's exit, and then go to another. Port is 1. No shutdown issue. You can see it's a red is here. When I just enter the command no shutdown, it shows that the port is up. Now it shows green. What I'm going to do is now assign the IP address here, 172.16.1.1, 255.255.0.0, and then I'm just come out from and just type the command right. Now I go in the router in Germany and go in command CLI. Then I come to T interface FA 0/0. No shutdown. Now you're going to see that it's the red. It shows it's down. The red indicates it's down. When I just use this command, it shows the green. Now these are showing up. Before it was showing down. So what I'm going to do it, assign the IP address 1.1.1.2 and 255 is a class A address. This is subnet mask. Sorry, this is my mistake. Apologize for this. And then I just come here, and this is the other no shutdown. When I enter no shutdown, now it shows red, and when I enter it, it shows up. And now we give the IP address here 192.168.1.1. 1.1.255.255.255.0. And we go here and here. Now, what we're going to do it now, we're going to assign we're going to configure the routing protocol. And which routing protocol I'm going to configure? The first, I'm going to configure RIP, router RIP. It's version 2, no auto summary, and the network address is 10000. And also, very important, network 192.168.1.0, and then command is end and write it down. Now I go back to Pakistan and config T and go here is we give the command of the router is RIP version 2, no auto summary, and we give the give the network address is the same one. Network is there, it's different, 16.0.0, and right, show IP route, and here it shows R. Now you can see that it shows R. It means that the RIP is configured in this router and also this router. It shows the 192.168.1.1/24, and 120 is indicate that it's the administrative distance of the RIP routing protocol. So we configured RIP successfully. Now I'm going to assign the IP address here. And when I just go here and just we assign the IP address here, and sorry, it's because we can give the DHCP as, but here in this scenario, we give manually static IP here 172.168.1.2, and the gateway is 168.1.1. And then we go here, and now I'm going in this PC and just give the IP address 192.168.1.2 and 192.168.1.1. And now what I'm going to, sorry, 192.168.1.1, close it. And then I'm going to ping this router in Germany because I'm just here in my PC, and I just ping the router in Germany. So the IP address is 192.168.1.1. Successfully ping. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to ping that PC from Germany 172.168.1.2. It works successfully. Now I'm going to ping Germany to Lahore 1.1. Successfully worked. Now I'm going to ping 172.116.1.1. I just configure here, and it also works as well. Now I'm going to ping from Pakistan to Germany, ping.1.1.1.2. It works successfully. And then 192.168.1.1. Oh, sorry. I just mistyped. I will show you again. Now what I'm going to do it now. Just wait a second. And it takes a bit time. Now I'm going to show you again. It's going to ping or not. So it's going to ping. So what I'm going to do from Pakistan, I'm going to erase the RIP. So this is a command, no IP routing, and then IP routing. And now I am going to configure The new routing protocol is EIGRP, and this we are going to assign the, if we type this command, it's show me autonomous system number. The range is 1265535. So it means 60. So this is the range. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select 2. This is EIGB number, autonomous system number. I'm going to assign 2 here. And then I'm going to write it down. Type the command is the network 1.0, the same process what I done it for the RIP. And then it's the network command again, and then it's a 172.116.090, and then N, and write it down. And now I just go there in Germany, and here I go in a config T, and there is no IP routing, the same command what I have done in the router in Pakistan, and IP routing. And then it's the router EIGRP, we just question mark, the same autonomous system number. We given the 2 over there in the router in Pakistan. So we're giving the same autonomous number here. And then the network 10.0.0.0. Now you can see it's done different. And then network 192.168.1.0, and then we see end, show IP route command, and it shows D. D just indicate that EIGRP. So EIGRP successfully configure, and in 90 it shows that the administrative distance. Now I'm just going here and just show, and he's also show here EIGRP is successfully working, and the neighbor's IP address is a 1.1.1.2 we configure here, and that shows that this is up. So show IP route, I'm going to type this command here, and D is show here. This is the EIGRP, and 90 is the administrative distance. So EIGRP successfully work, what we have implemented right now. So what could be the next process is, the step is I'm going to configure OSPF. So what command I'm going to type? No IP routing, then routing, then IP routing command, and then router OSPF. And here, router OSPF, when I just type the question mark, it shows me process ID. Before is the autonomous system number for the EIGRP. In this case, for the OSPF, this is a very famous routing protocol, OSPF. So in this criteria, we never say this is the autonomous system number, this is the process ID. So I'm going to type is 14, and here is I'm going to type network. Network is 10.0. No, that's a different command. It's a network, and also we are here 1.0.0.0, and here would be different, 0.255.255.255. This is the wildcard mask, and then we give the area 0. Area 0 is a backbone. So area 0, what I'm going to show you, this is between this router in Pakistan and also in Germany. So what I'm going to do, network 172.116.0.0, and the subnet mask would be 0.0.255.255, and then the area is 0. So I totally configure OSPF routing protocol successfully in Pakistan. Now I go jump to the Germany, and here I can see that because we remove the routing protocol of the EIGRP, and it shows the message that the holding time expire. And because the neighbors, the IP address is 1.1.1 here and 1.1.1.1.2 is here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go again, no IP routing. No IP routing, then IP routing command, and then router OSPF. And again, I just type the question mark and it shows to me the process ID. And the process ID range is mentioned here. And I'm going to give the same what I given the router in Pakistan, and the 14. The network 1.0.0.0. No, it's a wrong command. We have to give the wildcard mask here. This is and then area 0, and then network. Now it shows that the OSP process 14, and on Ethernet from the loading, it's done. It means it's already configured. So I'm going to show you later on. First, I have to complete my all steps for the OSPF 192.168.1.0, and the subnet mask for this it's totally different, 0.0.0.255, and the area is 0. And I just enter and end and write it down and show IP route command. When I type, it shows me O, and O indicates that the OSPF already configured in this router, and it shows the 110 is the administrative distance for the OSPF. So OSPF configured. Now I jump to the router in Pakistan, and it shows there show IP route, and it shows there OSPF already just configured in our router. So these are the 3 routing protocol which I describe here and mention here. I hope this video will be useful. If you are a beginner, if you have any comments, please write it down. And I have one question. You can answer my question. What is the administrative distance for the OSPF routing protocol? Please mention in the comments section. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.